Morning students, today we are going to start the chapter elements, compound and mixture. This is your part 3rd. In part 2 already we have discussed about the rule for writing symbols of an element. What are the rules for the writing symbols of element? In a previous lecture we have discussed what are elements and atoms, and also I have given you some examples and their name and symbols of the elements. So, here what are the rules? First one, you can see that the first letter of an element name should be in capital and second letter should be in a smaller form. Example, you can see that sodium, actually sodium, its symbol is that Na, and Na is taken from their Latin name. I will give you example, you will see in next slide. So, what is the rule? First, you must write first letter in capital form and second letter you will write in a small form. Again, some symbols name are taken from their Latin name. Example, iron. So, what is its symbol? You can see its symbol is Fe. You can see here its symbol is Fe, but their name, its name is the iron. So, why we are writing Fe in spite of writing IR? Actually, few of them their names are taken from Latin name, and in Latin the name of iron is a ferrous, and that is why here you can see that from the ferrous it is written Fe. So, many elements their names and their symbols are taken from their Latin name, but what is the main rule? Whenever you will write the symbol, first letter must be in capital form and second letter you will write it must be in a small letter. So, see in example, here I have given you few elements and their symbols are taken from Latin name. You can see in the case of sodium. So, what is the its Latin name? Natrium, and from the natrium Na is taken as a symbol. We are not taken a SO from the sodium. So, already we have discussed few of them their symbols are taken from the Latin name, but what is the rule? The rule is that first letter must be written in capital form and second letter you will write in the small form. Here you can see potassium, but what its a symbol? You have written here K. Its name is starting from the P, but here what you are writing? K. Why? Because its symbols is taken from Latin name and its Latin name is that kalium. You can see that kalium, and from kalium K is taken. Mercury, silver and gold, aurum you can see, and from the name of Latin aurum AU taken, we are not writing GO, we are writing AU. So, it is very clear few of their symbols are different from their name because their symbols are taken from the Latin name, and second rule is that first letter must be in capital form and second letter you will write it must be in a small letter. Here I am going to give you some examples. You can see that here, just see the name of first element is that hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? H. Helium, He, you can see hydrogen and helium both they are started from same alphabet. So, what make them difference? The difference is that E and H. So, simple H means first letter capital H stand for hydrogen and He stand for helium, and second letter whenever you will write it must be in small letter. Similarly, lithium, Li, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon, Ne. And what make the difference between nitrogen and neon? Both they are started with the same alphabet N. So, in the case of neon we are written here second letter E, but it must be written in a small form, that make the difference. Similarly, you can see in the case of sodium atomic number is 11, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. Again you can see in the case of potassium its the symbol is K, but it started with the P alphabet, but here it is written what K. Already we have discussed few of their symbols are taken from the Latin name, that is why K kalium, and from kalium K is taken from the potassium. So, it is a very important for yourself, and you are requested to note down in your copy, and whenever school will be opened I will ask the all names of the element from 1 to 20 and along with their symbols. It is a very important. Again we will talk about molecule. What is molecule? My dear students, molecule is a whenever one or more atom of same element or different element combine chemically produce molecule. Here you can see that a molecule is made up of two and more atom of same kind or different kind. It may be same, it may be different. So, in the case of different element we will talk in next lecture. Here we will talk about only the same element. Here you can see the examples. Hydrogen, it is same atom, same element, hydrogen, both combine chemically. Chemically combination means sharing the electrons, both combine chemically. What is formed? H2 molecule. So, here H2 molecule, here is it is atom, H atom. So, here simply you can write that, what you can write that 2H, and this 2H stand for there are two atoms, 2H stand for there are two atoms of hydrogen, but here written H2, and H2 stand for there is a one molecule, because in the front of the H2 there is nothing value, means 1 is there, and it represent the it has one molecule of hydrogen. And how it is formed? Whenever two atom combine chemically produce molecules. So, in the case of similar atom we are discussing, we are talking about similar atom, and about the different atom and different element we will talk about in second lecture, and that time we will discuss the compound. So, what is a molecule? Whenever two or more same or different atom combine chemically produce molecule. Again I am going to give you one more example. In the case of formation of oxygen molecule, so here you can see that one atom of element of oxygen, another one element, both combined chemically, what is formed? O2 molecules. So, what is a molecule? Whenever two or more atom, it may be similar or different, combine chemically produce molecules. So, here two atoms are there, two atom of oxygen are there, but here only one molecule of oxygen is there, that the make difference. And one more thing, exceptional, except inert gases, except inert gases, all gases they are present in the molecular form. Like hydrogen gas, always you will find that H2 form, oxygen gas O2 form, nitrogen gas N2 form. If you will write H, it does not represent the gas, it represent only the atom, and whenever atom combine chemically, what from molecule. So, whenever anybody will ask, just write the formula of hydrogen gas, simply you will write H2, you will not write H. H you will write, it represent the element of hydrogen, but whenever you will write H2, it represent the hydrogen gas. Similarly, in the case of oxygen, O2 represent oxygen gas, nitrogen present, N2 represent nitrogen gas. So, that is the difference. Whenever you will, suppose you will write N, N is means nitrogen element, but N2 you will write, it represent the nitrogen gas. So, all gases except noble gases, and what are noble gases, we will talk about it in next classes. Here just listen, what is the gases, formula of gases. Whenever you will write oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, you must write in the molecular form. And what is molecule? Whenever two and more atom combine chemically produce molecule. That is a very important, my dear students. Please note down in your copy, and also note down the name of element from the atomic number 1 to 20. It is a very important. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Be safe. Stay at your home. Don't go here and there. Thank you.